Hey guys, my name's Austin Lloyd and I'm a portrait photographer, and today I'm going to show you my favorite quick and easy way to edit eyes in Photoshop. So let's jump in. This is a picture that I took, and what we're going to do to start is create a curves adjustment layer. So with that curves adjustment layer, we're going to grab this midpoint and push that up. Awesome. So what we want to do is right over here we have our layer mask, which is currently white, which means we can see everything on this layer. What I want to do is hide everything so we can paint back in just what we want to see. So what I'll do is hit Command I to make that layer mask black. So now I'll grab my brush tool, I'll hit B, we'll zoom in, make our brush a little bit bigger, and I'm going to paint just over the color of the eyes. Looks great. Awesome. So to check and see how that looks, I want to zoom out and look at the full width of my photo. I don't want to stay zoomed in the whole time. I want to be able to evaluate the adjustments I'm making from the perspective that I'll be looking at the photo, which is right here. So right now, let's toggle before and after. That looks a little too bright. I don't like pushing things to look unnatural. I just want to enhance them a little bit. That looks great. So now I'm going to go ahead and create another curves adjustment layer. Grab the midpoints again and push those up. And once again, hit Command I to invert that layer mask, and this time we're just going to be painting over the catch lights. So I'll shrink my brush down just a little bit, paint over that to get that nice pop. And we'll go before and after right here. I might bring that down just a touch. Still using that down arrow key. And now what I'm going to do is shift click both layers and hit Command G to group those. And just rename that to eyes. So now we can toggle that off and on to see exactly what we did. Awesome, that's it. It's super quick and easy, but it's pretty much all I ever do to any of the eyes in my photos. So thank you guys for taking time to watch. Hit subscribe just to be updated on new videos that are coming out, and we'll see you soon.